Hello, welcome to Atkur Kastara channel. Here I will making this is my Bandcamp page, and I would like to upload custom header, but this header there is size this 975 pixel for white and 40 until 180 pixel for tall. And in this Bandcamp you can upload JPEG, GIF or PNG with size max 2 MB. Here we go. I would like to making with Photoshop here, and I just make a new composition here. I use this size. This I just select here, copy and paste in here like this, and making this. The larger in this recommendation is 180 pixel or 8 here. Just pass to here. Okay, and I would like to give this name. Okay, here we go. Okay, and just waiting. Yes, and here I'm creating YouTube header, this YouTube cover here, and I would like to use this in my other channel, yes, social channel for my music world. Here I just click here, left click and press, drag and drop in here like this. If you see like this, just make this size larger like this. You can select shift on your keyboard to make this proportional. Yes, shift and press until finish. Yes, like this. Okay, finish. Like this. And here we go. We just done with this. It's very simple if you have your cover first, just like this. You can save as here in banner, Bandcamp, and you can save in JPEG, save, and you can select this large file with medium. Okay, so this is a small size, but not bad here. The next step is upload your banner here. Click okay, and this is match here, and it's very perfect here. So yeah, I got new header. Okay, this is finished. Thank you for watching this. It's so wonderful here.